Hey everybody, I had a few think bubbles, but you guys dared me to cover my face in them. But guess what? I'm not Sarah. I'm Santa Claus. And you guys have dared me to shave off my beard. So, I am me. It's really easy. Just go all. Yep. See the bubbles come right out. Yeah. What about them apples? Take it like this. What about it? I just shaved my beard. Santa Claus has to go and watch a Halloween movie. If you need him, go.